Hello and welcome guys. This is Siddhanjan and you're watching your favorite channel Merchant Navy Guruji. I am very happy to inform you that the golden opportunity has came for which you are waiting for. Yes, I am talking about the IMSCT which is going to be in December for January batch. So let's have a look on participating institutes in IMSCT 2017. The 7 campuses of IMU, Indian Maritime University, namely Indian Maritime University, Chennai campus, Cochin campus, Kandla campus, Karikal campus, Kolkata campus, Mumbai campus, and Visakhapatnam campus are participating. With these, 13 more affiliated institutes are participating other than IMU in IMA CET 2017, namely College of Ship Technology Palakkad, Eurotech Maritime Academy Cochin, the Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies Mumbai, HIMT College Kilpauk Chennai, Hind Institute of Nautical Science and Engineering Noida, International Maritime Institute New Delhi, Mangalore Marine College Mangalore, Maritime Foundation Nagambakkam Chennai, Maritime Training Institute Mumbai, Park Maritime Academy Coimbatore, and Perunguthalvariyar Karmajar Institute of Maritime Science and Engineering Chidambaram, Southern Academy of Maritime Studies Chennai, Sri Ram Institute of Marine Studies New Delhi, and Yak Educational Trust Mumbai. Now let's have a important information about this institute. The seats intake for each campus will be different. The candidate will be admitted in the affiliated institutes and the IMU campuses based on the availability of seat and merit list of IMU CET 2017. So, moving to exam centers. As there are 36 cities across India where IMU CET exam centers are listed. These are Agra, Hyderabad, Patna, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Pune, Allahabad, Noida, Raipur, Faridabad, Kanpur, Ranchi, Bhopal, Kolkata, Simla, Bhubaneswar, Kota, Siliguri, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Srinagar, Chennai, Meerut, Trivandrum, Cochin, Mumbai, Varanasi, Coimbatore, Muzaffarpur, Visakhapatnam, Dehradun, Nagpur, Guwahati, New Delhi, Bangalore, and Madurai. You can choose your exam centers as your preference. One more important information about exam center is that all the candidates were required to choose 3 exam center preference at the time of IMSCT 2017 registration. The exam centers cannot be alerted or changed after the selection. The final exam center with the time and venue has been printed in the hall ticket of IMSCT 2017. Now let's have a look on exam pattern. Talking about the mode of examination, it is computer based exam. The time duration is 3 hours. The paper pattern is exam paper consists of 200 objective type questions. Well, about marking system, for correct answer +1 mark will be awarded, and for wrong answer 0 will be given, that is no negative marking. The total marks of the paper will be 200 marks. Now let's move to the weightage according to the subject. In total 200 questions, 25 questions will be asked from English, 25 questions from general knowledge, 25 questions from general aptitude, 50 questions from mathematics, 50 from physics, and 25 from. Now let's move to the eligibility criteria for IMSCT 2017. First is age limit. The minimum requirement of age for application is 17 years and the maximum is 25. Whereas the relaxation of 5 years in age is provided for reserved category such as OBC, SC, ST. Second is educational qualification. For undergraduate courses, candidate must have passed 12th with a minimum of 60% marks in PCM and 50% in English. Third is medical test. Candidate must have a proper eyesight of 6/6 and must not have in color blindness. Except from this, married candidates are not eligible to appear for IMCT exam. Now let's have a look on important dates of IMCET 2017. Online registration starts from 15th November and the last date for online registration is on 24th November. Hall ticket or admit card will be available from 1st December. The golden date, that is 16th December, IMCET exam will be conducted and the 26th December result will be declared. From 15th January, commencement of programs will be there in the affiliated institutes and the IME campuses. Now let's have a look on preparation tips and sample papers. Tips for preparation are: go through NCERT books and practice sample papers. The link for sample papers is given in the description box. You can download it from there and start practice. Now have a look on what are the documents required to apply for IMCET. Certificate of proof of reserved category if you belong to any reserved category. Second is high school passing certificate or any other proof of age. Third is certificate showing the passing of higher secondary exam, that is mark sheet of 12th, and 2 passport size photos. Important note about this document is the applicants are required to upload this list of documents while filling IMCET form. Now have a look on how to apply for IMCET or what is the application procedure. Applicants who are eligible must log in to the official website of Indian Maritime University, which is http://www.imu.edu.in/. Click on the apply online link on the home page. The IMCET application appears on the screen that the applicant is required to fill in. Now fill all the required details in the IMCET application form and check all the details before submitting the IMCET form, and then click on save and proceed button. Now upload a recent photo and signature as per the specification. After that, attach the required documents such as mark sheet and then click on the submit button to submit the details. At last, pay the IMCET application fee by providing bank slip details. The application fee for SC and ST is 700 rupees and for general and OBC category it is 1000 rupees. At last, take the printout of the application fee and preserve it for future reference. So that's all. In today's video, we will talk more about IMCET in my next video. Till then, goodbye and hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your examinations and thanks for watching.